Hello, I am Bandra Pavana from S101. We have heard about art and craft in primary schools and how the learning of art is to discern visuals, process and create with our own. In SST, it's how we see art as incorporating the elements of not just the aesthetics, but also design, media and technology, and how we can do our part to contribute to society. Isn't that cool? That's SST ADMT. One of the first few things I learned during ADMT lessons is infographic posters. Many of us come across posters. Have you ever wondered what skills are applied to make an infographic poster? I learned various skills during ADMT lessons. These skills include digital drawing, Scamper, PODs, EOAs, layout and space, and color wheel theory. Using these skills, I created an infographic poster about elderly loneliness to raise awareness about lonely elderly. ADMT lessons have taught me that the use of art need not be necessarily for myself, but also for the well-being and joy of others. I am glad that I now have a broad exposure to both digital and physical art in SST. ADMT lessons are fun with the freedom of design, just a unique twinge to everything.
Hi, I'm Emily from S203. Just like Pavana, I too think that ADMT is really fun. It opens our minds to realize the thought and effort put into designing a product, even something as simple as a cup. I've never known how significant a designer role was until I got to experience it myself. Going through the Changemakers process helps us to identify real-world issues and design solutions to meet users' actual needs. The Changemakers program, comprising of ICT, INE, as well as ADMT. The ICT lessons taught us Arduino assembly, while we went through INE lessons to learn how to pitch and present our project ideas. And lastly, ADMT. ADMT is my favorite as I experienced the 2021 SST 3M InnoScience Challenge. For this challenge, the goal was to design a product that encourages healthy living amongst teenagers. My group and I drew key inspirations from VR and augmented reality games to encourage users to be active and to choose a healthier lifestyle. On a personal level, I must say this was an achievement by the team and me, in how we managed to reimagine games and create a whole new experience for the user. I would say that because of this collective learning experience, we were able to design an innovative product.
Hi Paris, I've always been keen to learn more about ISS. Over 10 weeks of the first school term, ISS is part of the Secondary 2 Science curriculum, which allows us to conduct in-depth studies in our field of interest.
Yes, Adele, the teachers are also really helpful and they provide us with guidance whenever we need them. The final research consists of the video, the poster, and the report.
For us, we chose a physics project. We investigated on the effects of distance of pressure in a pipe. Thus, we get to understand the gravity pipe system and how it affects radial pattern towns.
And for me, I went to a mechanical shop. I went there to get materials for my ISS project. And because I went there, I have found out more about the materials and process used to make the pipe connector I requested. Without this ISS curriculum, I wouldn't be able to have done so. Hence, I find this a very fulfilling experience and unforgettable one.
We felt that ISS has given us an enriching experience as we get to learn more things from outside of our school syllabus.